Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna and I'm a little bit spooky, and today is the final reveal of the closet. Yeah, this is the final product as of right now of my organization, whatever, declutter and everything, and I have already started creating my capsule wardrobe, which will be another video. Of course, I want to go through all the pieces and talk about why I picked them and everything like that. And yeah, this is just the reveal of the organization where I finally ended up putting everything and how I got everything all settled and happy and nice. This is all gonna be subject to change. Stuff may get updated, swapped around, I don't know. Just depends. Right now this is working for me and I'm really liking it and I'm happy with. Before we get into the final reveal and closet tour, I have started a whole playlist for all my home series videos if you like to sit down and just binge watch all of them. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what room you would like to see me tackle next. And without further ado, let's get into this fantastic closet reveal. Don't get your hopes up, it's not that fantastic. it's just organized. I'm no Jaclyn Hill. So the closet is done. Are you ready to see the results? Let's start at the beginning here. This is the little hanger that hangs on my door. I just have this bag that I use to go on trips or whatever, hanging a few robes and stuff that I use depending on the temperature in the house. I usually throw those on when I get out of the shower. Coming into the closet, first we have the bookshelf over here, which I want to show you. Up here we have handbags and hats. Second shelf is just some formal stuff, like things for my wedding. Also put up here, like my purse that I wore. I used in the what do you call that? Ring bearer and flower girl basket. And these are the shoes that I wore after the wedding, like for the casual portion. And then I have these dressy little sandals that I wore to my friend's wedding, and then my wedding shoes over here. And that's all on the top shelf. And then panning down to the second shelf, which is like right at my height. To get to things, I've moved over like more springy summer stuff that I'm into for this time of year, and I also have a few handbags that I like to swap into. We'll talk more about like what I've picked and why I put it up here when we get ready to do the capsule wardrobe stuff, but this is just the setup right now. Next shelf is more like boots and more springy this time of year boots, I guess you could say. Kind of my workhorse boots and just other ones I'm into wearing. Next shelf is more casual shoes, like these little creepers are right here. We have some little Michael Kors shoes and some more boots right here, a couple of pairs, and then down the bottom shelf is shoes I reach for less or am not feeling for this season. Helper. Then if you come over here on the other side on the floor, we have just the tennis shoes I reach for the most and some flip-flops. That other slide is under the dresser and I can't reach it. And coming on up from there, we have where I have my pencil skirt and a leather skirt and a pair of pants just hanging. And then I have right here a hat that I decided to keep out for this time of year. And then this is just dressy clothes in case I need to reach for something kind of dressy and I didn't want to put it in the drawer and let it get like wrinkled and stuff. And then pan right here hanging is what I've selected for my capsule wardrobe. We will talk about that later. Then over here we have my husband's section with his shirts and stuff, and then the tall rack in the back has all my long things that I kept out. That suitcase is packed full of winter stuff and fall stuff, and down here I also have my husband's shoes hanging out. But they look nice, kind of in a little nook right there, kind of out of the way. Luggage, travel stuff, extra hangers. I will be eventually swapping all my hangers over to these as we pull things down, and I'll put them back on the nice hangers. And he has two pairs of pants hanging back there. And then here we have those two Stairlight things, and I have my two pairs of jeans that I really like right now. And then here's my husband's nice pants, and up here his work pants sit. And this is my PJs that I took off today. Okay, so in here, first drawer, swimwear like you've seen. Next drawer, this is all shorts and a little skater skirt and stuff like that that's good for this time of year. Bottom drawer is dress clothes and some more winter stuff. This drawer is all my husband's knits and Henley's long sleeve stuff. This drawer is just some random accessories and some house shoes, stuff like that I don't reach for on a day-to-day basis. The bottom drawer is like the t-shirts and novelty stuff like fishnets and that sort of thing. That drawer is stuffed. So yeah, that is how the closet is looking right now. And this is really high up, so I can like barely reach it. And up there I just have some boxes and stuff. And my husband's hat and my sewing kit live on top of this shelf now. So it's not just shorts piled up there. And his shorts have found a home in another drawer. So let me take you to the dresser where we did some more organizing. Okay, and this is our dresser where we keep a lot of our clothing as well. And just give you a little pan up of that, what she looks like. This has all been kind of rejudged and organized and tidied up some. So these first two drawers are all jewelry. This one here and this one, which we will talk about in another video. And of course my jewelry box on top. So let's start on this side with the drawer. This drawer is all like sleeping clothes, nighties, silky undershirts, little short PJ bottoms, that sort of thing, kind of like nightgowns. What do you call these, like camis, that sort of thing, like these that layer under certain tops, which I should probably hang up with the tops they go with. And just like shapewear, that sort of thing lives there. Next drawer down, this one is like my basic tees, cotton camis, that sort of thing. Just stuff like layering pieces and just basic black shirts. And you know, just the basic pieces live in this drawer. Down here I just have some long sleeve band tees and some thermals. This is a drawer I reach in very often, so that's where this stuff will live. So this drawer, this is my husband's t-shirt drawer. Looking nice and tidy. Yes, that is a unicorn onesie. But I folded all his shirts Marie Kondo style, so you can see what he has and doesn't just wear the same two shirts over and over because they're on top. He actually has to look at things. This next drawer is our collective PJ pants drawer, because we both don't have that many pairs of PJ pants. So I'd say like PJ pants, leggings live in here on this side. This is my side. His side, this is his sweatpants and gym shorts and that sort of thing. And if you get to this bottom drawer, this is my ridiculous t-shirt, like band tee collection of ones that I wear frequently and reach for on like a day-to-day basis. I have a Typo Negative one, Ministry, Danzig, just some cute shirts from Target mixed in here. Playing. AFI shirts, Iron Maiden, and these I typically wear on a everyday basis around the house and just to run errands, that kind of thing. And okay, so that is all of our clothes sorted. Oh hi. Here I am today in just some little velour shorts, tank top and a hoodie because we kind of had a little bit of a cold front come through. So yeah, this is the mirror to look in when I'm getting ready. That completes the closet tour and all the organization and everything that happened in there. I hope you guys enjoy this series so far. I'm having an absolute blast doing this series. It is so fun. I didn't think it would be as much fun as it is, but this having this to keep me busy has been just a kind of a godsend right now. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below what room would you guys like to see next. And yeah, stay safe, stay spooky, and stay the fuck at home. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.